भाई ये वीडियो रिगार्डिंग है आईटी जॉब में कैसे सरवाइव करें। Everybody is want to earn money, obviously. After the graduation, everybody is looking for the job. You can see, right? There is no job, no private job is there in any other industry except the IT. I mean, there are few some private job is there in other industry also, but the scale जो पैसा है वो सिर्फ ओनली आईटी इंडस्ट्री में मोस्ट ऑफ द सिनेरियो। तो वाट एवर उसने बीएससी कर रखी है, बीए कर रखा है, या बीटेक कर रखा है, या पीएचडी कर रखी है, कुछ भी कर रखा हो भाई, उसको आईटी में आना है। पैसा ही वांट टू अर्न मनी बिकॉज एवरीबडी वांट टू अर्न लिवलीहुड, राइट? एवरीबडी हैज़ अ फैमिली। So because you have graduated, right now you have a responsibility to earn money. So he will try in the IT industry. In the starting they are totally frustrated because there is a tough competition, right? Because everything is online and everybody is landing on the same phase. I mean, for each and everyone there is a resources is available, तो competition is high, ये तो बात माननी पड़ेगी। तो उसके लिए क्या है, सपोज आप आई you have graduated, right? Then the I will tell you the option, the quick crack to job, how to crack the quick job. So either you, if you have a good in aptitude, reasoning, English, then you obviously just keep the exam of E-Litmus का and MCAT का। तो if तुक्का लगे या if you have lucky or you have a skill, right? If you got the good percentile, then you just need to give the technical round at the fresher level. और फ्रेशर लेवल पर टेक्निकल राउंड कुछ ज़्यादा खास नहीं होता, यू विल क्लियर easily if you get a good percentile in APCAT and E-Litmus test. So you will easily get the job. One of my friend get a job through the E-Litmus. He do not know about the coding anything. He do not know about the C. So you can assume that how he get a job. He got the 87 percentile in E-Litmus test in the FT. Reasoning में उसका था 84 and the this इंग्लिश में उसका 60 अराउंड था एंड ही गॉट द जॉब इन द बेंगलोर। तो भाई E-Litmus ट्राई करो, MCAT ट्राई करो।